In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everyone. This is Dr. Faraz Asad, a staff member in the Civil Engineering Department at the Faculty of Engineering in the University of Kufa. I'm here to give a brief demonstration for how to use the Zoom software, which is the platform for the International Conference on Civil Engineering and Environmental Technologies EXCEED 2021, which will be held in the University of Kufa. Actually, I'm gonna speak in English because as far as I know, there are a couple or more of our distinguished guests who are non-Arabic speakers. However, for junior researchers, actually there is nothing to be worried about, because as I am not a native speaker, so it would be probably very easy to you to catch up with me on what I'm gonna say. This quick demo is specially devoted for junior researchers, which this is their first time to participate in such event, held on a Zoom as a video conferencing platform. And actually, for those who have no experience in using the Zoom software. So here we go. We can get Zoom using two methods. Basically, either we can download it from its website, so we can download it on your computer, or download it as application from the Google Play or the Apple Store. I'm gonna show you how to download it or use it online. So first of all, on your Google browser, all what you need actually is to type Zoom and press enter. Then it will take us to the first link, which is for Zoom, zoom.us. Now either you can press download or enter the website and then download it. So let us enter the website and then scroll all the way down. You will find here download tab. Press on it. It will take time depending on the strength of your internet signal. So here we go. This is the download center page. The first link here, we can press on the download here, and then we can download it on your desktop. I have already done that, so I'm not gonna do it again. Just press save. After pressing save, you will get this icon, the installer icon. Double click on it. It will initiate the downloading process. Again, it will take 1 or 2 minutes, sometimes less, depending on the strength of your internet signal. So after doing this window will pop up. So now you have two options, or actually there are two options. Now you can either join a meeting if you are a researcher, a participant, and you want to join a meeting that you have these details such as the invitation link or the meeting ID and the passcode. Or if you are a host, you can sign in to start a meeting. So this is the first method. The second method regarding how to access a Zoom is to do that online. So I'm gonna leave this now. For now, I'm gonna leave this here and back to my browser, Google browser, and I can directly press one of these tabs, either join, as I said, if you want to join a meeting that you have it is details, or if you want to host a meeting, actually, which is the administrator or the chair of the session would do that. But now, if you are an audience, a researcher, you want to deliver your presentation, so you need just to press this to join the meeting. Same thing here. It will ask you about the details of your meeting. So if I back to this window and press join a meeting, it will ask the same thing as you can see. So now by now we learn two ways of how to access a Zoom meeting for a specific session, either by do it online or by download the program itself. All what I need now is to put the meeting ID or the personal link name. So now if we go to the program file of the conference, for example, for the opening session, the inauguration session, we can see that there is the Zoom invitation link, this one, and there is the meeting ID, and the third thing, which is the passcode or something like the password for entering this session. Okay, so now if you want to check how to do it in either ways, all what I need now is either to press directly on that link, on the Zoom link provided for you in the program file, or to enter the details of this session in one of these windows. So for example, if I want to press on that link directly, I'm gonna tick this and say open Zoom meeting. Because I have already opened a window, so it says you need to you will leave this window, so leave and join. Same window opens again, but this time it says that this session is actually not started yet. The meeting is scheduled for 11th of May 2022. It will start at 9:30 a.m. So it is not yet open. However, I know that, but it's just for checking how to access this session. The second way, as I said, is to enter the meeting details and say join meeting, and now I have to enter the details of meeting ID, which is, and you can put the name. I prefer not to tick these two options. you can activate your audio and your video, your camera later. So if I say join, it will ask me about the meeting passcode, which is 173570. Press enter. It will again reach us to the same end, which is the meeting is not started yet. Same thing we can get if we entered online by pressing launch meeting. Again, a pop-up window would tell us the same thing. So now we learn how to reach a specific session by either using the Zoom you have downloaded, you have already downloaded on your computer, or by using the online services. And also we learned how to get to a specific session, either by using the invitation link or by using the meeting details. So far so good. Now let me tell you some tips and tricks about how to share your screen to present your work. I'm gonna open two sessions for Zoom, one as an admin, a host. So I'm gonna use the online method. I don't need this anymore. So let me back to this tab, to the first tab. In the online, as I said, I'm gonna be the host with video off. And now to enter the Zoom, I need to put my login details. So I have either to sign up, or if I have already a sign-in details, I need to press the sign in. Or you can alternatively sign in using one of these four options: SSO details, Apple details, Google details, or the Facebook details. Probably the easier one is to use your Google account. So press on Google. I'm gonna press on Google account. I'm gonna use this account, which is my account. And now I am in. I don't need this tab. Now I'm in, and now I can host with video off. I can host, based on this account, I can host a meeting. Now I am the administrator. This pop-up window. This tell me that if you want the audio, your voice to be heard, to activate the audio, so you have to press this one. I'm gonna press it, and now this is my window, my Zoom window as a host. This one, actually this window is very similar to the participate window, which we see it in a bit. This icon, you can activate it if you want to speak. Other than, you have to click on it to deactivate it. The second one for video, if you want to activate your video, you have to press it. If you want, keep it off. And this one for the host, for the administrator, to share his or her screen. and other things. This is some other options. This participant, to show the participant. Let me a little bit adjust this window, and also we can show the chat area in this panel, right side panel. So now this is the host window. Now I need to show you the difference, how to share your screen. I need to enter the Zoom from another account as a presenter, as a participant. So now after entering my session as a host, I take my name, Ras Asad, from my Google account. I'm gonna find the details for invitation, which is from here. Press invite, and then go to emails and copy invitation details, and then go to any text. Let me delete this for previous session and paste this information here. You can see the invitation link and the meeting ID and the passcode. So good. Now I need to open to enter the Zoom again, but now as a participant. So I'm gonna use another browser, which is Microsoft browser. Definitely you don't need to do this. I'm just doing this, opening the Zoom from two different browsers for demonstration purposes only. So again, type Zoom, enter, and now click join. Now after clicking join, I'm gonna put my meeting ID here, copy and paste, pressing enter to join, pressing the lunch meeting. So now sometimes there is technical issue, so it is better for me now to join from browser. Press allow, putting your name, my name as a participant. So I'm gonna say, for example, researcher 1, and press join. Final step, I need to enter my passcode, which is this one, and press join. No thanks. Here we go. So in the host window, now I have let me close the audio. So now there's only my voice. In the participant panel, there are two participants, which are me as the host, and actually another me as the researcher. Researcher 1 is the participant, the researcher who is gonna deliver his PowerPoint. What I need now, this is just to tell me that there are too few new things have been added to the Zoom. I'm not very interested. Let me adjust a couple things before starting sharing my PowerPoint. At the first, as I said, in the host window, it is similar. This window is quite similar to the host window. This is the audio. You can activate and deactivate the audio from here. Activate and deactivate your camera from here. The number of participants are 2. You can show the participant from more click the participant, sorry. This is the participant panel, and also you can adjust the view from over here, gallery view. So there are the participants in front of you. And now if you want to show the chat area, just press here on more and select the chat area, and here is the chat. Down here you can press whatever you want as a message, private message. If you want a private message, you have to select to which person you want to send it, and the default is for everyone. So if you write something to here, everyone can see what you write. For example, if I'm going to type hello, press enter. There is the hello from searcher one. This is my message that I have just typed in. So the most important thing is now how to share my PowerPoint. Actually, it is from more. If it is not apparent on the task bar of the Zoom down, because I am resize the window. So if I want to full screen the window, you can see the share screen in green icon here, but if I put it in the first position, it will be inside the more tab. So I can now press share screen. It say that your host disabled the share. It's okay. I can go to the host window, and on the command share screen option, press advanced share screen, and then who can share. I'm gonna put all participant, close it. Now if I want to share my work, very good, now I can share my work. Now there is a trick. Actually there are three options. You can share your entire screen, which is probably you don't need that. You can share just a window, which is for example your PowerPoint you want to deliver, or the third option, which is we are not interested right now in so actually we usually use the window to share our works. However, there is a trick. You should open the PowerPoint and make it in the background to be appear here. So for example, because I didn't open any PowerPoint, you can't see any PowerPoint here. To avoid this, all what I do, I'm gonna activate any PowerPoint. I have prepared a one, which is this one. Double click on it. Let me put this back. So this is my PowerPoint now. So as I said, I should not minimize it. I should open it and leave it in the background. And now when I want to share screen, going to the window, now I can see my PowerPoint here, choose it, and then press share, and here we go. Let me adjust the view. This is my PowerPoint. I can now minimize it. As you can see, it tells you that you are screen sharing. You are sharing your screen. From here you can stop your share. From here you can pause your share. However, your PowerPoint is now visible to the all audience. All one in the session now can see your PowerPoint. It's worthwhile mentioning that for privacy, or actually for copyright issue, I used one of my previous PowerPoint, which actually delivered it previously in a workshop assigned for the 4th fourth-year students to aid them in writing their graduation project. However, back on track, now you can scroll down, you can speak. Definitely you need, before speaking, you need to activate your audio icon. Press it to activate it, but I don't need to do that now. And then back to your PowerPoint, and you can now scroll it down, and everything you do it in your window, it will synchronize on the host window, as you can see. So actually, this is the most important things. I try to go through them for the junior researchers who have no extensive experience on how to deliver their PowerPoint through the Zoom software. When you finished, and when you actually finished your presentation and finished your Q&A session, you can close your presentation, close your PowerPoint, and when you close it, it will automatically stop your sharing. So in brief, I tried to show you how to share your screen in order to present your work. Also, again, if you think there's something sophisticated, actually there is not. All what you need to do is simply to go to your session you are interested in, and then either click the invitation link, the Zoom link, and or entering the meeting details, the meeting ID and passcode. So either you can use the Zoom online and then by clicking on this invitation link, or if you have it on your computer, you can double click on it and then enter your invitation details. Finally, I hope the demo is useful for you. Thank you for listening, and have a good luck.